Hello guys and welcome to the channel, and today in this video we are going to change the username of Raspberry Pi to another name we want. The default username of the Raspberry Pi is Pi, but we will change it to any other name which we want. Now I've already made a video on this where I used PuTTY terminal to run all the commands, but I've got many negative response comments and mails where people were saying that they are not able to log into the system after updating the username. So I thought of making another video, and this time I will not be using PuTTY terminal but will be using VNC Viewer, so that later we will see that if we are able to log into our VNC GUI or not. Another point I want to make is that I'm not going to use any other special commands, and I will be using the same old commands which I used in previous video, just to make sure that there is nothing I've already done in the Pi to update its username. You can even compare this video with the older video and the commands as well, and you will see that everything is same. So let's get started. Okay, so as you can see that I've connected my Raspberry Pi to Wi-Fi, and I've also connected it through VNC Viewer. Now I'm using the latest version of the Raspberry Pi, which is the 2018 11.13 version. Let me open the file which contains all the commands. So as you can see that these are the old same commands, and I'm simply going to just copy paste these commands on the terminal here. But before that, please make sure that you are into the root mode, and now we can proceed ahead and paste each command onto the terminal. So we are done here. I've run all the commands. You can replace the rocket name with any other name you want for your Raspberry Pi username. Now the last thing which we need to do is we need to simply reboot our Pi, and then we'll see which username it accepts. So as you can see, it now displays a warning message which says that either the username was not recognized or the password was incorrect, which is fine, because we know that we have changed the username. So we'll simply enter the new username, which is rocket, and we'll enter the password, and you see that it is now connected. So this is all, guys. You just need to run all these commands to change the username. Just make sure that you are first into the root mode, and you just replace this particular name with any other name you want. Now let's simply test. So it displays rocket, and you can also see that it displays rocket here instead of the Pi. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel.